And Jewel Ferry is running late. Annie, what's your learning from the Wizard of Oz?
Believe in yourself.
You don't need to seek validation from other people. They were going to the Sphere here in Las Vegas. We're so excited because the last time we came here, we're not able to visit this one. Are we ready to run and rumble?
Okay. Yes.
Everyone running! And Jewel Ferry is running late. Oh my God, late na kami sa Sphere. Let's go! We're excited. We're here. Ayan, ang ganda-ganda na Wizard of Oz. So, when you visit Las Vegas, you have to visit Sphere and watch the Wizard of Oz. You're gonna get a lot of learning here, especially for the kids. Kahit na hindi bata, kahit tayo mga adults, I learned from here is you don't need to get validation from anyone just to move forward. Annie, what's your learning from the Wizard of Oz?
Enjoy natin yung journey natin.
Yeah.
And alam nyo lahat ng mga struggles, lahat ng mga naiisip natin, kung ano man yung pagkukulang natin sa sarili natin, it's all within ourselves. Ang sarap na may mga kasama ka, like yung family mo, friends mo, that they're here to support you. Never mong mafe-feel na mag-isa ka. And yun, believe in yourself.
To add up to that, learn to appreciate things, especially your family, friends, relatives while they're there. Kasi kapag ka nawala sila, doon mo lang marirealize na it's still good to be home. Yung may pamilya ka, may mga tao na nandiyan dyan sa paligid mo, that you don't need to seek validation from other people kasi nasa paligid at nasa tabi mo lang pala yung mga tao na kailangan mo. At the same time, it's within you. So, yun lang. It's a must-watch talaga and must-visit here in Las Vegas. So, see you again in our next travel at ang ating next vlog. Bye-bye!